Hello, and welcome to the session. Principles of Operations Management LO2. Apply a range of techniques and analysis frameworks used by operations managers to support decision-making and address problems. How do operations managers drive efficiency and success? This video explores key techniques and frameworks in operations management. Discover how these tools support decision-making and problem-solving. Performance measurement is crucial in operations management. It involves setting objectives like quality, speed, and cost. Performance metrics include financial and customer satisfaction indicators. The balanced scorecard approach integrates financial and non-financial measures. This framework helps align operations with strategic goals. Control systems monitor and regulate operations. Types include capacity and inventory planning and supply chain control. These systems ensure resources meet demand efficiently. They are linked to operational functions for strategic alignment. Continuous improvement is embedded in these systems. Building a culture of continuous improvement is vital. It involves leadership commitment and employee involvement. Training and resources support this culture. Recognition and feedback are key components. This approach enhances efficiency and customer satisfaction. Business process reengineering radically redesigns processes. It aims for significant improvements in productivity and quality. This involves fundamental rethinking and radical redesign. The focus is on entire processes, not just tasks. BPR can lead to cost reduction and improved service. Cost-benefit analysis evaluates operational decisions. It compares benefits against costs to justify actions. This involves defining scope, identifying costs, and assigning value. The analysis informs decision-making with financial insights. It highlights the most valuable projects. The VRIO framework assesses resources for competitive advantage. It evaluates if resources are valuable, rare, and inimitable. Organization is key to exploiting these advantages. This tool aids in strategic prioritization. It helps identify strengths in the competitive landscape. Benchmarking compares processes with top performers. It identifies gaps and sets performance standards. This practice improves cost efficiency and strategic advantage. It fosters organizational learning and innovation. Benchmarking drives continuous improvement. Technology transforms operations management. Cloud computing and mobile tech enhance flexibility. Remote working tools offer cost savings and continuity. Converged platforms improve data flow and customer experience. AI and IoT provide real-time insights and automation. ERP systems integrate organizational processes. They provide real-time data for informed decisions. Standardization reduces inefficiencies across departments. These systems scale with organizational growth. ERP enhances operational responsiveness. SCM systems optimize supply chain activities. They offer visibility from procurement to delivery. Inventory optimization reduces costs and stock issues. Collaboration ensures timely deliveries. SCM manages supply chain risks effectively. NPD systems facilitate collaborative product design. They enable simulation and testing before prototypes. Project management ensures timelines and resource allocation. Feedback loops enhance product-market fit. NPD speeds up development cycles. CRM systems centralize customer data for a unified view. They improve customer service with history and preferences. Marketing automation enhances campaign effectiveness. Sales automation tracks leads and improves conversions. Analytics provide insights into customer behavior. The balanced scorecard integrates financial and non-financial measures. It assesses performance from financial, customer, internal, and learning perspectives. This tool aligns operations with strategic objectives. It provides a comprehensive view of organizational performance. The scorecard supports continuous improvement. Performance objectives include quality, speed, and dependability. Flexibility and cost are also key areas. These objectives drive competitive advantage. Operations must excel in these areas to meet customer needs. Achieving these objectives enhances customer satisfaction. Performance targets guide operational success. Metrics include financial, customer, and employee satisfaction. Productivity and response rates are also measured. These targets align with strategic goals. They provide a clear direction for improvement. A logic model visualizes inputs, outputs, and outcomes. It serves as a roadmap for strategies. This model clarifies the connections between activities and goals. It aids in identifying desired outcomes. Logic models support strategic planning. Developing a performance measurement framework involves 4 stages. Preparation sets the foundation with a team and stakeholders. Identifying outcomes uses a logic model. Creating performance measures involves brainstorming and assessment. Collecting and analyzing results completes the process. Standard operating procedures ensure task uniformity. They lead to consistent product quality and service delivery. SOPs are detailed instructions for specific functions. They are prevalent in operations for efficiency. SOPs standardize processes across the organization. Key performance indicators track performance against goals. They are specific, measurable metrics. KPIs in operations might include production output and lead times. Monitoring KPIs ensures alignment with strategic objectives. They provide insights into operational efficiency. Total quality management involves continuous quality improvement. It engages all employees in the process. TQM leads to improved product quality and customer satisfaction. This approach integrates quality at every organizational level. TQM fosters a culture of excellence. In conclusion, applying a range of techniques and analysis frameworks is essential for operations managers to support effective decision-making and problem-solving. Tools such as process mapping, capacity planning, forecasting, quality management techniques, and performance measurement frameworks help identify inefficiencies, manage resources, and improve operational outcomes. By using these techniques systematically, operations managers can address challenges, optimize processes, and align operations with organizational objectives. This practical application strengthens operational performance and supports continuous improvement across the organization. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 0748 436 1688.